complementing everything great about timeless Detroit muscle with thoughtful customization and excellent power. This 66 Ford Fairlane is an extremely desirable take on one of the most popular muscle cars ever created. The beneficiary of a detailed ground-up restoration, this slick Ford wraps traditional Acapulco blue two-stage around retro stampings that are both solid and crisp. A stylish black-trimmed grille hangs a monochromatic crest between stacked headlights and a smoothed bumper. A pinned R-Code 427 hood complements subtle callouts, and polished 17-inch American Racing Daytona set off an aggressive stance. Interior refinement is one of this Fairlane's many virtues thanks to RP Interiors. The customized cockpit kicks off with clean leather seats. A leather-wrapped dash hangs conservative factory gauges over leather-wrapped kick panels and tasteful Stewart Warner accessory gauges. A polished steering wheel laps a Stewart Warner tachometer, and hidden custom auto sound audio adds a touch of modern technology. Hoist the fiberglass hood and you'll find an iron dart small block that builds on the car's theme of tailored performance. 427 cubic inches cranks out approximately 400 horsepower and sends it back to a Currie 9-inch with a TrueTrack differential. Very few classics possess the thrill-inducing swagger of this incredible Fairlane. But you're looking at a fast, purpose-built head-turner, and make no mistake, when your foot hits the floor, that's exactly what you'll get. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.